Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here at ARES Garage and Workshop. Today we're going to talk about the 15028 Extended Reach Angled Hose Clamp Pliers. You need different tools for different situations. And I tell you, when it comes to hose clamp pliers and things like that, you never seem to have enough in your arsenal. Well, this is one more thing that's going to help you out real good. This has a 13-inch extended reach overall. It's got a 30-degree angle on the head. It's got serrated pads here to grip really nicely on the clamps. It's got a tough Chrome-Moly construction, and it's got very nice, comfortable non-slip grips here with a nice spring return. Works really well. The guys like to get behind the engines with something like this where you can't see. You can kind of see a little bit, but you're way down in there. And there's just certain times pliers like this come in real handy, and they allow you to get on these spring clamps all different angles, and you can hear the teeth gripping on that thing in there. It does not slip off, so it's really nice, and really makes it convenient, especially going after some of those heater hoses, transfer hoses, things like that. So I really think they're a great addition to your toolbox. I think you should check them out. And as always, make sure you wear safety glasses and use the tool as intended. And register your tool and sign up for our tool club. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.